Alright, what's going on, guys? Doing a quick but very important update today. So if you can't tell already, the GT is back from Michigan. It was getting some maintenance done, basically, long story short. So it got dropped off last night. It was shipped here by truck. I was actually at work, so I didn't get to see it getting dropped off, so that kind of sucked. But nonetheless, it is here. Super excited to have it back. So the place that fixed it in Michigan is actually a shop that specializes in fixing these cars, the 2005 and 2006s. They used to work for Ford on these cars. They were part of the team that built them. And then they branched off and started their own shop specifically to fix up these cars for people that crash them or just need some work done on them. And the reason why it took so long to get done was because they were waiting on a OEM Ford power steering pump for this car. It needed a new one, and basically my dad wanted them to use only Ford original parts to keep it original and stuff like that. So they were waiting on that for a while. It was on back order from Ford. But it finally got in last week and they got it fixed. So basically it's just as good as new now. Just needed a couple other things done to it. So super excited to have it back. Definitely gonna be putting out some videos of this car soon. As long as the weather's nice this weekend, we're definitely gonna take it out for a drive. Miss driving this car so much. It's so awesome, so cool. And for those of you in the Massachusetts or Rhode Island area, we're thinking about bringing it to the Mass Cruisers show down in Foxborough. It's on every other Thursday. The problem is it's just kind of a pain to get in and out, and this car is really difficult to drive, kind of like, you know, slowly in parking lots and traffic and stuff like that. And so we're just kind of worried about that. It also has a lot of blind spots too, so it would be kind of a pain getting in and out, but we're definitely thinking about it. Sadly, we already missed American Day at Lars Anderson, so that kind of sucks, but nonetheless, happy to have it back and looking forward to putting up some videos of it soon. So that's it for today, guys. As always, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this car as well as the other cars in our garage, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.